Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I created this look which is perfect for the new year. So if you want a quick and easy new year's look, keep watching. I already started by applying the Milk Makeup Grip Eye Primer. I'm going to be using the Good School palette from ColourPop to create this golden eye look, which is perfect for the new year. Look at all the gorgeous shades in this palette. Are you kidding me? I'm going to grab the e.l.f. Defining Eye Brush. And we're just going to go in with the shade Let's Do It, which is this shade right here, the darkest shade. I'm just going to put this on the edge of the brush. I'm just going to go in. We're starting very small, so that way we don't get a whole bunch of color at once. So I'm just taking little bits of eyeshadow at a time. Right now I'm just applying this to the outer corner, kind of like a liner. I'm going to start applying it up here a little bit. I kind of want a smoky eye look, so I'm just going to make this like a little try to circle everything. I'm just going to wipe a little bit on my hands, so that way there's not a huge excess of pigment. Just going and dabbing the outside of it. Obviously it looks crazy right now, but trust the process. I made our own gradient with just one color. If we dab it, I'm gonna take some and just apply gently into the inner corner. So there is what we got so far. I'm gonna tap into the shade Let's Do It again. I'm just gonna make this a little darker. I'm taking this more just on my actual eyeball. Now I'm just cutting the crease. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in 8B Porcelain Beige. Just put some of that on my hand. Apply this. We're gonna make a cut crease. Just really take your time on this. Kind of tap it here, and then I'm also here, on the top, where I actually want the crease cut. I kind of just do little brush strokes, and then I put my eyes up really high because where I'm doing this, it's right in the inner corner of my eye, so right in my eye socket, I should say. Tap it on here. Just making sure everything is seamless. Okay, so as you can see, the crease is now cut. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Trooper, a muted yellow. And I'm just going to apply that all over the eyelid here, just as a yellow base. Roughly patting this down. We are going to take e.l.f. Eyeshadow C brush, and we're going to go in with the shade Bold Brush. It's the brown shade in the palette. Just applying it right here at the edge here, right where the black and gold meet, so it kind of blends together. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop E11 brush and use the shade Golden Touch. And this, I'm just going to create a base along the eye. I don't know if you can see the glitter on the edge, but I'm just applying this right to the edge of the eye. Doing a mix of tapping and rubbing. What the eye look is looking like so far. Put middle finger here, and we're gonna go in with the shade Gold Star. Look how gorgeous that is. And then I'm just gonna apply this right below that glitter I put. I don't know where this is from, but this is an eye contour brush. Dab that into your bowl a little bit so that way I could get close to the inner corner. So to the eye up here. I'm going to go back in with the ColourPop E11 brush, and we're going to go back in with Golden Touch. And I'm just going to reapply up here. going to take the ColourPop E2 brush shade State of Mind. We're just using this as a blending shade. Here is the complete eye look. I'm going to put eyeliner on. If you want a tutorial on how I do my eyeliner or my lashes, make sure to comment down below, because usually I don't film it because it takes a while. I know this is eyeliner, and I know I said that was the last part, but I thought of something different to add to make this more glittery glam. So this is why I have this big bold liner. I'm using this brow brush. Once again, I'm not sure where it's from. It doesn't have a brand, but I know I got this at Marshall's one time. I'm in with the shade Digging You, and I'm just pressing it onto the liner. And to use the liner, I just fix the line here. We are back with doing the under eye. I'm going in with the shade Big Brooch at the corner of the eye. Taking a brush we used to apply the glitter. Going in with the shade Cold Star. Applying on the edge. Going in with Jupiter and using the ColourPop E2 brush. Brush we already used. I'm going in with the shade Nugget About It. The last step is to apply a braid in the corner, so we're going in with the shade 24K. Just apply this like a regular motion. I'll come back at you when the entire makeup look is complete. There's a tutorial on how I created this look, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I added some glitter to my lips. I used the ColourPop lippy sticks in a cookie, and then I applied some gold glitter from the ColourPop Glitter Gold palette, and just patted some glitter on my lips just to add a little something. But I think it turned out to be a very gorgeous look, and I love it. I hope you love it as well, and if you recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Be true, be you, be beautiful. Kelsey signing off.